Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe After Effects on Mac, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Adobe After Effects on your Mac, begin by closing the application if it is currently open. Next, navigate to your Applications folder. Locate the Adobe After Effects application in the folder. Once found, click and drag the Adobe After Effects icon to the trash bin. To permanently remove the application, right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. For a cleaner uninstallation, you may want to remove additional files. Open Finder and click on Go in the top menu. Select Go to Folder from the drop-down list. In the pop-up window, type in /library and press Go. Within the library, navigate to the Application Support folder. Look for the Adobe folder and open it. Find the After Effects folder inside and drag it to the trash. Return to the library and check the Preferences folder. Look for any files that start with com.adobe.aftereffects and move them to the trash as well. Next, go to the Caches folder within the library. Locate any caches related to Adobe After Effects and delete them. Be sure to also check the Logs folder in Library for any After Effects logs and remove those as well. Finally, empty the trash again to complete the uninstallation process. You've now successfully uninstalled Adobe After Effects from your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.